We are pleased to show you the 2019 Yukon. Peace of mind comes standard with GMC's 100,000-mile 5-year powertrain warranty and Yukon's 5-star frontal crash test rating. Boasting a Vortec 5.3-liter V8 with active fuel management, flex fuel, Yukon is agile and capable. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: autonomous braking, stability control, traction control, remote engine start, power steering, cruise control, universal garage door opener, child safety locks, heated steering wheel, airbags, front, center. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.